Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Raquel. I am a mechanical engineering student, and if you have been following my channel, you probably know that I usually share engineering projects, 3D modeling, prototypes, and the things that I built. But today I want to show you a different side of engineering. A big part of engineering also happens inside companies: planning, organization, maintenance, problem solving, and making different areas work together. So today I'm going to show you what I actually do as a mechanical engineer intern in an industrial environment. I work in the maintenance area, supporting the PCM department. PCM means Planning and Control of Maintenance. Basically, PCM is responsible for organizing maintenance activities before they happen. The goal is to make sure the maintenance team has the right information, the right materials, and the right planning to execute activities efficiently. PCM connects different areas inside the company: mechanical maintenance, civil maintenance, purchasing, warehouse, suppliers, and all the departments involved in the process. My main activities are connected to the utilities area. But what exactly is utilities? In an industrial environment, utilities is the department responsible for systems that support the factory operation. It is not directly the production equipment itself, but it provides resources that the factory needs to operate. For example, water systems, energy, steam, compressed air, and other industrial support systems. These systems are extremely important because if one of them has a problem, it can affect the entire operation. My work is mainly connected to mechanical maintenance planning inside utilities. My routine changes depending on the day, but a big part of my work is related to organization and maintenance planning. Every day I check information from the previous day, follow activities, and update maintenance controls. One thing that I do every day is updating the Kanban. But what is Kanban? Kanban is a visual management tool used to organize activities. It helps the team understand what is planned, what is being executed, what has already been completed, and what still needs attention. This makes the workflow easier to follow because everyone can visualize the current situation. At the beginning of my internship, I was learning the process and supporting the updates, but today I am responsible for the weekly Kanban planning of the utilities department. I organize the information, check priorities, update activities, and prepare the weekly planning. This is something that I currently do independently. I also follow maintenance meetings. During these meetings, we discuss what happened, what activities were completed, what problems occurred, what equipment needed attention, and what actions need to happen next. We analyze the situation and organize the next steps. Another important information is the appointment of hours. Maintenance technicians register the time spent on each activity. This helps the company understand how much time was used, how many activities were completed, and how many maintenance performance is going. I also work with the backlog organization. The backlog is basically a list of maintenance activities that are still open or waiting. Sometimes there are old service orders activities that were already completed in another way, duplicated requests, or tasks that no longer make sense. So, part of my work is organizing this information, checking, updating, closing service orders, canceling when necessary, and keeping the system organized. A service order, also known as SO. A service order is basically a record of a maintenance activity. It contains information like which equipment needs maintenance, what needs to be done, who will execute the activities, which materials were needed, and the current status. I also work with maintenance systems. These systems are used to register information, create requests, and control maintenance activities. Inside these systems, we can have information about equipment, materials, maintenance requests, service orders, and planning. In maintenance, before executing an activity, we need to know what materials are necessary. These materials are called inputs. They can be parts, components, or resources needed for a maintenance activity. I also make material requests through the system and follow the process until the material is available. Sometimes I request materials from the warehouse, and sometimes I also have with the collection process. Besides utilities, I also support some activities related to the civil maintenance. Civil maintenance has a different focus from utilities. While utilities is more connected to industrial support systems like water, energy, steam, and compressed air, civil maintenance works with the physical structure of the company. They work with things related to construction, repair, infrastructure, facilities, bathrooms, and improvements in internal and external areas. The civil team does not have the same warehouse structure as the rest of the company. They have their own storage area, almost like a small internal stock space, where they keep some materials used for their activities. When they use materials, they send me the information about what was consumed, for example, construction materials, maintenance supplies, bathroom materials, or other items. I organize this information so it can continue through the purchasing process. The purchasing process itself is handled by another person responsible for this function. My role is supporting the process by organizing information and following requests. When a material is delayed, I contacted suppliers by email to understand what happened and request updates. I also help with some system-related situations. For example, access problems, login issues, or situations where someone cannot complete a process in the system. When this happens, I communicate with the responsible areas to help solve the problem. Safety is a very important part of industrial maintenance. So I am responsible every day to follow safety and quality information. So there are visual controls that I have to fulfill every day to help everyone understand the current safety situation in our department. Another interesting part of my routine is following information related to the boiler. A boiler is industrial equipment that heats water and generates in steam. Its steam can be used in industrial processes. I help follow some information related to consumption, such as water consumption, gas consumption, and energy information. Another challenge in maintenance planning is dealing with people and schedules. The technicians have different shifts and their schedules change every week. So the planning needs to be reviewed and updated constantly. It's not only about creating a schedule once every week there is a new organization, because the availability of people changes and also has a lot of inspections that are different to be done, that are made for different people. So every week there is a new organization because the availability of people changes, and some people are responsible for some specific kinds of inspections that other ones cannot do. So this is a little bit of what I do as a mechanical engineering intern. It is a different side of engineering from what I usually show here on the channel. Engineering is not only about creating things, it's also about planning, organizing resources, solving problems, and connecting different areas. This experience is showing me how engineering works in the real industrial environment. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it, and I will keep sharing my engineering journey and also my projects soon here. So if you like this type of content, you can subscribe, and I see you on the next time.